Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Salesforce Certified Business Analyst course. In this session, we're going to explore business process mapping, specifically, how to define the scope of a complex business process and break it down into manageable, actionable steps. To begin, defining the scope of a complex process requires understanding the boundaries of what you're analyzing. Start by asking key questions. What triggers this process? Where does it start and end? Who are the key participants? What systems are involved? By clearly answering these questions, you can establish a focused and relevant process scope that keeps your mapping efforts on track. Once the scope is defined, the next step is to break the complex process into smaller, manageable segments. Think of this as decomposing a large task into bite-sized actions. This breakdown helps make the process easier to analyze, communicate, and improve. Focus on identifying each step, its inputs and outputs, the responsible parties, and the systems or tools used. Engage stakeholders in this activity to ensure accuracy. Facilitated workshops, interviews, or observation sessions can uncover the nuances of how processes actually work, not just how they're documented. This collaboration helps fill in any gaps and ensures the process map reflects reality. Now that you've gathered the necessary input, you can start creating the process map. Use standard mapping symbols, such as rectangles for tasks, diamonds for decisions, and arrows for flows, to build a clear visual representation of the process. Tools like Lucidchart, Visio, or even whiteboards can help you collaboratively draft and refine the map with stakeholders. After creating your process map, validate it with the stakeholders who perform the process. Ask them to walk through the steps and confirm accuracy. This ensures your map captures the true flow and reveals inefficiencies, delays, or redundancies that can be addressed with Salesforce solutions. In conclusion, effective business process mapping involves clearly defining the process scope, breaking the process into manageable steps, and collaboratively creating and validating the process map. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.